Loyola, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. LJ Maria P. Baldelmar, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Maria Cristina L. Cuba, Angel Rose D. Purple, Mary Jean R. Caampe, Jana Marie R. Calzado, Mia Bel P. Castro, Juliana M. De Castro, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Justin Claire B. Daturin, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Rexy Jane Clay Vedamo, Nalia Trixie S. Ender, Joy May R. Espino, Vanessa Ann D. Ibale, Jen Althea M. Ligasan, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Diana Rose Y. Leona, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Erica D. Marcelino, Rachel Ann L. Merriam, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Charmel Jean P. Miranda, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Aiza M. Mondas, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Mihaya L. Panimba, Jasmine E. Pura, Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors and the University of East Scholarship Awardee. Stephanie L. Lagarda, Academic Excellence Awardee with high honors. Princess B. Ramir, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. Sophia Gray A. Sarate, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors.
Parang silang midhay ko.
April Jane A. Sen,
Ako lang sa kanilang midhay ko. Stephanie, saka Vice President, saka President.
Princess Zaria B. Victoria,
Meron din naman dito sa kanila yung high school. Tayo, ganun. Meron din. Uni award, scholarship award.
again, congratulations. Thank you for sharing your life with me, and I wish you all the best in whatever path you take. Hiraya Manawari.